we doing today?
Today we're going to an off-road challenge in Ocala.
Look at Ocala.
Not to race. We're not going to race. We're going to go watch.
This is a first. Obviously for me, because I'm just a girl. But it's actually a first for him too.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see something different.
Yeah, because the things we always go to is like events and like what do you call it?
We'll go to the track. Or are you talking about Rancho?
No, not Rancho. Like the little motocross events.
Oh, Supercross.
Yes, yeah. Those are the events we usually always go to. But this is like supposedly like off-road, like somewhere hidden in the woods.
Yeah, like actual motocross. The difference between motocross and Supercross is that Supercross is in a stadium. Motocross is...
Oh, got it. Okay, learn something new. Check.
Yeah, so I'm pretty excited to see that.
Why did it stop?
They didn't stop. It just shut off the camera, the front thing.
My bad.
It does it automatically, but it's still recording.
Okay.
But yeah, we're 20 minutes from there. We've been on the road now for how long?
Like an hour and a half.
Yeah, like an hour and a half. So 20 more minutes until we get there. Yeah, we'll check back in when we get there.
Sure. Bye.
Okay, so let me just go ahead and tell you guys from the beginning, that my camera settings were not the best throughout this. I'm still learning the camera, I'm still learning to edit, but it does get better later on. Enjoy the video. We're walking to the, what is that, like the area?
Yeah.
Because this is very, yeah, like the entrance, or I don't know, I think that's like the registration area. Because as you can see, this is sugar sand. And
unfortunately, he doesn't have a truck.
I don't have a truck. I don't even have 4x4. I drive a front-wheel drive Corolla hatchback. Manual. This is not gonna get through here. So yeah, we're gonna have to invest in a truck.
I'll take donations.
But yeah, so we're walking there. We'll update you.
Wait, and it's not that we can't afford it. We can. We're just saving for a wedding.
Oh yeah.
So it's really hard to save for a wedding and try to buy a truck.
Yeah, definitely.
We can't do both.
Yeah, we gotta do one thing at a time. Otherwise, we're gonna overwhelm ourselves and
we're gonna fail.
Yeah. So.
Oh, look, a little cactus. That's how hard it is out here.
That's how hot it is out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is really hot.
It really is. It's hot. It's like 94 degrees. And it probably feels like 105.
Yeah, you can hear the machines. I'm excited to get there and see. But we'll come back once we get over there, because I don't know how long the walk is. I got it. We're not sure how long the walk is, so we'll be right back.
Is that a girl?
Yeah. So they're doing the women's category right now, and then the men's go right after.
What do you win? Nothing? For fun?
It's just fun. They give you a little trophy. Here we go. We're near the, what is the finish line?
Yeah.
It's like it's got a starting point and a finish line. It's like a time attack, I would say, type of challenge. Trying to see who
finishes the fastest?
Yeah, who finishes the fastest in the least amount of time. And we're waiting. It's one rider at a time. So right now we're waiting here for the current.
I thought it was going to be multiple riders at the same time.
No, it's one at a time. So we're waiting for the current rider, which she already started. So we're waiting for her to come around this side towards the finish line. And they also they have four-wheelers and they have side-by-sides and they have dirt bikes too.
And they have food.
Most important part is that they have food.
I'm gonna get something soon.
Oh, I thought it was somebody started. I was like, how are they gonna start if this person hasn't finished? Oh, I hear it. There she comes. No. You didn't tell, bro, what? She saw me.
Yeah, but still, babe. I want one, but I need an automatic one. Ah, the answer. Bro, what the heck? Yeah, that was like a start.
I was wondering when she was gonna shift. Wow.
Se quedó como que ahí pegado, ¿eh?
Yeah, she stayed in first gear though, from start to this first curve right here, and even after that.
She's probably nervous.
Yeah.
Y ya que yo no sé mucho de eso, pero I heard it. I was like,
Yeah, I was like, bro, shift. What are you doing?
that probably would be me. I don't even know how to shift.
Bro, that's so funny. Cool.
I like this start better because you get like the little like, you know.
Yeah, she's doing the whole race in first gear, I swear.
For real?
It sounded like she was hitting the limiter right there too.
Oh, you know what they're doing? They're getting, I got you. They're getting a feel of the course before they race. They gotta do like a dual tag, make sure they know where the
Yeah, like a run through, like a
run through before they race. So they're warming up.
This right here is their registration area right here. They got food. Got machines right here. This is looking pretty good. They just finished with the women's division. They're about to start with the men's here in a little bit. We came by to get some empanadas, cheese dogs. What we got there?
We're gonna review the food. This is
That's the cheese dog.
in Spanish corn dog.
No, cheese dog.
Oh, cheese dog, gracias. English corn dog.
It's similar to a corn dog. Let's see. That's good.
What is it? An empanada?
Chicken empanada.
Chicken empanada.
Yeah.
En español, empanada de pollo. O como lo dicen, ¿dónde en Ponce?
No, en Bayamón.
En Bayamón. Bueno, pero ¿cómo dicen en Ponce? No es pastelillo.
No, empanadilla. Pastelillo en el área norte, vaya.
Ah, bueno.
Pero eso es incorrecto.
Empanadilla.
Punto. I just realized that I had the wrong is it? Like lens, hybrid view, whatever.
The wrong setting for the video, but it's okay. It'll still look good.
It's just, the reason why you see it change is because I fixed it now.
It's all right.
But now then the seats are missing.
What's happening?
Social media, or you just doing it for personal use? I had to get on it, bro. I like it. I love it. Where you walk? Huh? Where you walk? I'm on my bike. Oh, I ain't know. I ain't know it felt bad. Oh, I love it. I don't know if I got it in me, but I got it. I love it, bro. That other race gonna be dead after this shit. Everybody want a drag race. Oh wait. Damn, I'm gonna say 08. And then from 06 to fucking 12. In Canada? Canada. They say on 22. I did not know that, bro. Neither did I until I fucking went to buy it. That's crazy. Call it. Who we got? Who won that? Who won that?
Dímelo. ¿Qué hay? Ey, ¿se puede montar? ¿Me da una trilla? Dale. ¿Cómo es aquí?
So I do want to say that the camera's in the wrong settings in this clip and the following one, but it will be fixed in the clip after that one.
Olvidando tú estabas más bonita, baby.
Oh man, bro, that thing was sick, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Oh, what the heck? I feel shaky.
I should've give you anxiety if you ain't got it.
Oh man, that shit will just put a smile on my face.
I'm telling you, bro.
You all go ahead, go down.
Nervous. Try to call it
Come on,
same
man.
thing.
Stop waiting. Look at your trade, look at my trade.
I love that bike, dog. I love that bike. Don't worry about it. Tell them don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's what's wrong with them. Smell the race gas in this shit.
Oh yeah.
Anytime you smell that shit, it smells sweet.
Yeah.
They don't got regular gas. Hey, what on? Get behind you, sign in your way.
gonna conclude the day. It was pretty cool. We saw some of the off-road challenge. Well, only the women's, the men's still haven't gone, and it's like 3 o'clock, so we had a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna go ahead and leave now. But there was some drag racing. There was I had to ride that side-by-side. Shout out to the guy that let me ride the side-by-side, man. You're a real one. That was fun, but I really appreciate that. That thing was nice. First time riding a side-by-side. That thing was cool. I liked it. But yeah, we're walking back to the car. It was definitely a cool experience, something different. Yeah, I would definitely come out again. They do it once a year, so next year maybe I'll be coming out here to ride in the challenge. What do you have to say?
I concluded a couple things. First of all, amazing people and great food. I'm always gonna talk about food, so food is 10 out of 10 for me. But once we're married next year, we need a truck. We need a trailer, and I need a 4x4. That's all I got to say.
All right, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you on the next one. Bye.